Financial freedom. It's a phrase we hear a lot, but what does it really mean? Is it just a distant dream or something we can achieve? Simply put, it's about having control over your money. It's not just about earning it, but knowing how to manage it so that it works for you. It's about not being a slave to debt, living paycheck to paycheck, or constantly worrying about bills. Imagine a world where debt doesn't dictate your decisions. Financial freedom means having options. Options to decide how and where to spend your time and money. It means being able to pursue your passions, take care of your family, and sleep soundly at night knowing your finances are in order. It's the peace of mind in knowing you can face any unexpected event without losing sleep. Imagine this, waking up without the dread of debt weighing you down. Every morning, starting your day with a smile, knowing you are in control. Imagine having the resources to handle unexpected expenses without your life turning upside down. Being able to pay for a car repair or a medical bill without stress. That's the power of financial freedom. It's the feeling of accomplishment when you reach a financial milestone, the confidence that comes with planning and execution. It's about security, peace of mind, and the ability to live life on your own terms. It's the freedom to enjoy the little moments, plan for the future without fear, and live each day to the fullest. Financial freedom is not just for a lucky few. With education, planning, and discipline, it's an achievable goal for everyone. Start by setting clear goals, creating a budget, and sticking to it. Learn about investments and how to make your money grow. Every small step brings you closer to financial freedom. Celebrate your achievements and keep moving forward with determination. Remember, financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the process and keep your eyes on your dreams and goals. Let's be real, the road to financial freedom isn't always easy. Many of us face obstacles, and that's okay. Debt can feel like a suffocating weight that prevents us from reaching our goals. A lack of savings can leave us vulnerable to life's unexpected events. A lack of financial education can leave us feeling lost and unsure of where to turn. And then there's fear. Fear of not having enough, of making the wrong decisions, of failing. Fear is a powerful emotion. It can paralyze us, or it can propel us forward. When it comes to finances, let's choose the latter. Instead of letting fear hold you captive, use it as motivation. Let the fear of being trapped in a cycle of debt ignite a fire within you to make a change. Channel the fear of financial insecurity and turn it into a driving force to build a solid foundation for your future. Remember, you have the power to rewrite your financial story. So, where do we begin? Financial planning might seem overwhelming at first, but with the right steps, it becomes manageable and even exciting. How do we navigate this path towards financial freedom? The key is to have a clear roadmap and follow it with discipline. It all starts with a budget. A budget is the foundation of any solid financial plan. Think of your budget as a roadmap. It guides you and shows you the way to your financial goals. It helps you track your income, expenses, and identify areas where you can save. Without a budget, it's easy to lose track of where your money is going. Begin by listing all your sources of income. This includes your salary, investment income, and any other source of money. Next, track your expenses for a month. Write down every expense, no matter how small, to get a complete picture. You might be surprised to see where your money is actually going. Often, small daily expenses add up to significant amounts. Once you have a clear picture, you can create a spending plan that aligns with your financial goals. This plan should be realistic and flexible, allowing you to adapt to unexpected changes. Remember, a budget is not about restrictions, it's about empowerment. It gives you control over your money and allows you to make informed decisions. Set clear and achievable financial goals. Whether it's saving for a house, paying off debt, or investing for the future, having goals keeps you motivated. Review your progress regularly, adjust your budget as needed, and celebrate your financial achievements. Over time, you'll see how your discipline and planning will lead you closer to financial freedom. It's not just about money, but the peace of mind and security that comes with good financial management. Ultimately, financial freedom allows you to live the life you desire, without constant worries about money. It's a journey worth taking. Section 5. The power of investing. Investing might seem intimidating, but it's a crucial step in building long-term wealth. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. There are various investment options available, from stocks and bonds to mutual funds and real estate. Do your research, seek advice from a financial advisor, and choose investments that align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, be consistent, and watch your money work for you over time. Section 6. Building a safety net, your emergency fund. Life is full of surprises, and not all of them are pleasant. That's where an emergency fund comes in. It's your financial safety net, there to protect you when unexpected expenses arise. Aim to save between 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an easily accessible account. Start small and gradually increase your fund over time. Having an emergency fund gives you peace of mind, knowing you can handle life's curveballs without derailing your financial progress. Section 7. A story of small steps, big rewards. Let me tell you about Sarah. Sarah was an ordinary woman, just like you and me, facing a difficult financial situation. She was drowning in credit card debt, with piles of bills piling up every month. She was living paycheck to paycheck and felt trapped in a never-ending cycle of financial stress. Every day was a struggle to make ends meet. One day, Sarah decided enough was enough. She started by creating a detailed budget, writing down every expense and every bit of income. She cut back on unnecessary spending, canceling subscriptions she didn't use and limiting dining out. To increase her income, she took on a side hustle. She did odd jobs like food deliveries and freelance work in her spare time. With each payment she made, she saw her debt slowly decrease. It wasn't easy, and there were moments of doubt and exhaustion, but Sarah's small, consistent actions yielded incredible results. After months of effort, she finally paid off all her debt. With her debt paid off, Sarah didn't stop there. She started building a solid emergency fund, making sure she had a financial cushion for any unexpected events. She also began investing, learning about different investment options and making her money grow wisely. Today, Sarah is financially secure and lives with peace of mind. She is living proof that small steps taken consistently can lead to extraordinary transformations. Her story reminds us that even though the road may seem long and difficult, every small step counts and brings us closer to our goals. Section 8. Your challenge starts today. Now it's your turn. I challenge you to take the first step towards financial freedom today. Start by creating a budget, even if it's just writing down your income and expenses. Commit to saving a small amount each week, even if it's just a few dollars. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step today. Section 9. Take control of your future. Financial freedom is within your reach. It's not about luck or being born into a wealthy family. It's about making conscious choices, developing healthy financial habits, and taking control of your financial future. Don't let fear hold you back. Embrace the challenge, seek knowledge, and surround yourself with a supportive community. Remember, you are capable of achieving financial freedom. Start today and watch your life transform.